I'm happy to learn that our youth in our diocese of Shamshabad is bringing up a program called Sogyasa, singing in Syriac, singing Syriac hymns. This is actually a program of resourcement. This is how I understand it. Syriac, Syriac patrimony, and Syriac language, Syriac culture, Syriac theology, and Syriac spirituality. These are the heritage of the Syro-Malabar Church, because that is precisely the reason why we are called Syro-Malabar. That Syriac patrimony that we have. In fact, the Church of Christ has three basic ecclesial traditions. One is the Latin West, and the other is the Greek East, and the third one is the Syriac Orient. And we belong to the Syriac Oriental tradition, our Syro-Malabar Church. And this is one of the oldest tradition, though less known when compared to the other two. In fact, Syriac or Aramaic, which is the dialect of Syriac, is the language of Jesus and that of the apostles. It is the language of the early church. And so we have inherited such a wonderful heritage from Jesus and his apostles. And your attempt to go back to the Syriac language is highly appreciated. It is a program, I would say it is a program of resourcement, a program of going back to sources. We go back to the past, not for a nostalgic element, not merely for a nostalgia, but we go back to our ancient traditions so that, taking pearls from the past, we enlighten our present and also for our future, for directing our future to better goals. So it's not a I believe that it is not merely a nostalgic event. So I appreciate and congratulate all those who are involved in it. In fact, when I think about this Sogyasa program, I am reminded of the great saint and the great theologian of our Syriac tradition. It is Saint Ephraim. He was a great poet theologian, very good singer, and during the heresies, especially the time, 4th century, the times he lived, and during 4th century, Arian heresy was very strong. It was almost blowing up the faith of the church. It was questioning the divinity of Christ. So what did Saint Ephraim do? He was a good musician and he was a good singer. He collected a group of people and he used to sing hymns in praise of the divinity of Christ. He would arrange a choir and take the people, men and women, to public places so that they can sing the divinity of Christ, so that people can hear and learn about the divinity of Christ. So this is the great service that our forefathers did to the faith of the church. And I believe and I strongly believe that your attempt is not merely an attempt for a nostalgia, but to learn something for our present and also be guided for our future. I wish all of you God's blessings. May God bless you. Thank you.